Welcome to the Peachtree Plaza. Do you have a reservation? How long will you be staying? Are you here for business or pleasure? Is this a business trip or just a vacation? I'm sorry for your loss. We'll make your stay here as worry-free as possible. We have room 758 reserved for you. Will you be paying with cash or credit card? Will you be paying with cash or a credit card? It's $129 per night. There's also a complimentary continental breakfast. I need to make an imprint of your credit card. Take the elevator on the right to the 7th floor and turn to your left. The room will be on your right. A bellman will bring up your bags. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy your stay. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Excuse me? I beg your pardon?